Good morning. It's day 87 of Safety 365, and we're going to talk a little bit about what they call knob and tube wiring. In the old days, they learned the hard way about electrical wires. You had wires, they would heat up, so you put insulation on them. Usually in this case, it might be black asbestos tar silk paper, and the idea is that that wouldn't catch on fire. But if you put the wire on top of woods, the wood would be heated up when it was dry, and then the night with the heat of the wire. And so they came up with ceramic and porcelain insulators, and they actually had codes of how far the insulator had to be through the wood from the wood. And if you had to go through a big huge piece of a 2x 8 or something, you might have a ceramic tube that goes through it, and you'd have to put your wires through that. And wiring was good, it worked, but we've gotten a lot better about that now. And this is came out in 1881 by the New York Boards of Fire Underwriters. They came up with codes on this, eventually adopted into the National Electric Code, which is used today for the standard for building wiring. So let's be safe out there. We'll talk more about electrical safety this week.